Have you ever wondered what full-stack development is? Welcome to the fascinating realm of technology and coding, where we'll be uncovering the layers of full-stack development. Picture this: a world where the front end, the part you interact with, seamlessly merges with the back end, the engine running behind the scenes. That's the essence of full-stack development. It's like being a superhero in the tech world, having the power to create, control, and manage both ends of a web application. Imagine the potential, the opportunities, and the doors that could open for you with this skill set. Exciting, isn't it? So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a code warrior, or someone who's just curious about how this digital world operates, this is for you. We're about to embark on a journey that will take us through the intricate details of full-stack development. So buckle up and prepare to dive deeper into the exciting world of full-stack development. First, let's shed light on what full-stack development truly is. Picture the construction of a house. There's the exterior that everyone sees, the interior that provides functionality and comfort, and the hidden but essential structure that holds everything together. This is similar to how full-stack development works. The exterior of a web application, or the part users interact with, is created using front-end technologies. This includes languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These create what you see and interact with on websites, everything from fonts and colors to buttons and forms to sliders and animations. The interior, or the server side, is where back-end technologies come into play. This includes languages like Python, Java, and PHP. The back-end is where all the data processing happens. It's what makes a website functional and dynamic, handling tasks like user authentication, database operations, and server configuration. Now, the structure that holds everything together is the database. This is where all the data is stored and managed. Languages like SQL and MongoDB are used to interact with the database, making sure data is stored, retrieved, updated, and deleted as needed. So, a full-stack developer is someone who can construct the entire house. They handle the front-end, back-end, and database interactions, knitting them all together into a functional, efficient, and user-friendly web application. But being a full-stack developer isn't just about knowing a bunch of languages. It's about understanding how these parts interact and being able to think about the system as a whole. It's about being able to solve problems at multiple levels of the web development stack. And there's one more thing. The field of web development is constantly evolving, with new tools and technologies emerging all the time. Full-stack developers need to be lifelong learners, always ready to update their skills and adapt to new challenges. With a handle on both front-end and back-end technologies, full-stack developers are the jack-of-all-trades in the tech world. They're the Swiss Army knives of developers, capable of tackling any problem and creating complete, robust solutions. Now that we know what full-stack development is, what exactly does a full-stack developer do? Let's dive into the world of a full-stack developer, a professional who plays a pivotal role in the software development lifecycle. They're the architects of the digital world, the ones who design, develop, and maintain web applications that we interact with on a daily basis. Whether it's your favorite e-commerce site, the social media platform you scroll through during lunch, or the mobile banking app you use to pay bills, a full-stack developer has likely had a hand in creating that user experience. Working closely with diverse team members, including designers, product managers, and testers, full-stack developers ensure that applications meet the needs of the users. They're the bridge between the aesthetic appeal of the front end and the functional logic of the back end. But what does it take to become a full-stack developer? Well, they must be quick learners, able to adapt to new technologies and changing requirements with ease. They must be proficient in both front-end and back-end languages, and have a firm grasp of databases, servers, and hosting environments. On top of that, they need a good understanding of user interface and user experience design principles. Full-stack developers also need to be comfortable working independently and as part of a team. They often take the lead on projects, coordinating between different roles and ensuring that all parts of the web application work together seamlessly. But don't be fooled into thinking that full-stack developers are just about coding. They also play a strategic role, helping to make key decisions about the technical direction of projects. They're problem solvers, often called upon to troubleshoot issues and come up with innovative solutions. So, to sum it up, a full-stack developer is a multitasker, a tech wizard with a diverse skill set, and a team player. Their ability to handle all aspects of web development, from the front end to the back end, makes them an invaluable asset to any team. As you can see, a full-stack developer wears many hats, making them an invaluable asset to any team. So, how much can a full-stack developer expect to earn in India? Let's dive into that. In India, the world of full-stack development is not just rewarding in terms of skill development and the ability to work on diverse projects, but also when it comes to monetary compensation. On average, a full-stack developer in India earns around 8.8 lakhs per annum. But remember, this is an average figure. The actual salary can vary widely depending on various factors such as experience, geographical location, and the type of company. To give you a clearer picture, let's break it down by experience level. Starting out as a junior full-stack developer, you can expect to earn somewhere between 1.8 to 4 lakhs per annum. This is a stage of learning and honing your skills, and the compensation reflects that. As you move up the ladder and reach the mid-level full-stack developer stage, your salary sees a significant jump. Here, you're looking at an annual pay ranging from 5 lakhs to 11.4 lakhs. This is a stage where you're expected to handle more responsibilities, and the pay scale is designed to match that expectation. Finally, when you reach the senior full-stack developer level, your expertise and experience are highly valued. Your annual compensation at this stage can range from 12 lakhs to a whopping 20.3 lakhs. This is a testament to the value that experienced full-stack developers bring to a project and a company. So, as you can see, the earning potential for full-stack developers in India is impressive, especially for those with significant experience. However, remember that these figures are approximations, and actual salaries can vary based on a multitude of factors. Nevertheless, with dedication, skill, and experience, full-stack development can indeed be a lucrative career path in India. So, what languages should you learn to become a full-stack developer? Well, full-stack development is a multi-layered field, and as such, it requires a diverse set of programming languages. Let's break it down into front-end, back-end, database languages, and DevOps tools. Starting with the front-end, the trio of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is fundamental. HTML structures the content of web pages, while CSS styles it, giving it color, font, and layout. JavaScript brings interactivity, enabling dynamic content that can adapt and respond to user input. Now, moving on to the back end, where the logic and data processing occur. Here, languages like Python, Java, and PHP are often used. Python, known for its simplicity and readability, is a great choice for beginners and is widely used in data analysis and machine learning. Java, a versatile and robust language, is heavily used in enterprise-scale applications. PHP, although it's seen its share of criticism, remains popular for web development, particularly in content management systems like WordPress. Next, we have the database languages. SQL is the standard language for dealing with relational databases, which organize data into tables. For non-relational databases, MongoDB is a popular choice, using JSON-like documents for data storage, which can be more flexible and scalable. Lastly, let's touch on DevOps tools. Git, Docker, and Kubernetes are crucial in the modern development workflow. Git is used for version control, allowing multiple developers to work on the same codebase without conflict. Docker and Kubernetes help manage and orchestrate containers, which are lightweight, standalone executable packages that include everything needed to run a piece of software. It's important to note that full-stack developers don't need to master all these languages and tools. Instead, focus on gaining a solid understanding of a few, then expand your skills as needed, based on the projects you work on and your areas of interest. Mastering these languages and tools is the key to becoming a successful full-stack developer. So, Take your time, start learning, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. So is full-stack development the right path for you? As we've explored today, full-stack development is a multifaceted field requiring the mastery of both front-end and back-end technologies. This unique blend of skills allows full-stack developers to oversee the entire web application development process, from the user interface to the server side. The role of a full-stack developer is critical in today's digital world. They are the tech wizards behind the user-friendly and efficient web applications that we interact with daily. From e-commerce websites and social media platforms to banking applications and enterprise systems, their work has a broad reach. Despite the challenges that come with the role, such as the need for continuous learning and adaptation, the rewards are significant. With a competitive salary and high demand, the full-stack development field offers promising career prospects. With high demand and competitive salaries, full-stack development is certainly a career worth considering for anyone interested in the tech world.